how to check and test consent mode version 2 for Google products. There are many different ways to test if consent mode version 2 is working correctly. And it will depend on your skill set, so I'm going to show you many different options. You can install Tag Assistant Chrome extension. If you were to do that and enable the extension on your website, as in on your Google Chrome, and then simply visit your website and then look at the data stream, page view, and here we can see cookie consent state. In this scenario, that's okay, as in it's sending signals to Google servers. But for some viewers, what we're seeing doesn't make sense. So now I'm going to show you different ways. Tagassistant.google.com, you can add your domain and then connect to it. So I'll do that, press connect. So I've already done that, let's press on it. So now, using the Tag Assistant from Google instead of the extension, now we can debug and see more details. And if we are seeing everything green, all good. Let's continue. Now basically, tagassistant.google.com has connected with our website for us to see consent states. Consent default, data layer, consent. These are our tabs here. So depending on how you've set it up, you may see different things. The most important is this here. Default settings for consent mode version 2 has to be denied. So that means people have not granted consent. So on page default, that's what you should see. On consent update, this is what you should see. When people accept it, this is what you should see. So now what I'm going to do, just to show you different testing methods, is I'm going to press on F12 on my keyboard and I'm going to remove my consent settings from this website. And now when I refresh the page, whether I'm using the extension, as you can see, because consent hasn't been provided, Google cannot see the tags. And that's exactly what should happen. So now, let's do something like this. Let's come out of that, stop debugging, and then connect again. Right now, Google should not see Google signals because it's by default it's connected, but no Google tags are found, and that's exactly what we should see. So I know I went through many different angles. I'll try and simplify it because you may be using the Chrome extension, or you may want to explore tagassistant.google.com. To test it, this is the best way. So now I'm going to accept, because the Tag Assistant, because I have accepted it, it has seen my consent mode version 2 settings. Initially, it was denied. Then current state was denied, but then I have updated it. So this is the test we need to do. As in, now I have accepted it, it's granted at this level. So this is the test you need to do. Simply press on it, make sure the initial state is denied. Only when someone accepts it, then it is updated, as in granted. Before I close up, I'll show you Google Analytics option, just in case you're using it. You can look at configure tag settings through your data stream, and then press on admin, and you can launch your tag assistant from here as well. So if you're using Google Analytics, it's actually going to take you to the same place for debugging. This is how you test and check your consent mode version 2 to see if it meets the requirements.